what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some 60s classic hits. White Rabbit by Jefferson Airplane. Okay, so here we go. It's not for beginners, really, because we got a bunch of bar chords, which is hard for beginners. So, okay, we got F sharp bar chord, 2, 4, 4, 3, F sharp major, we got G major, just move that up a half step, we got A major, 5th fret, C major, 8, D10, back to A. So that's the main verse and choruses. Strumming is pa 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 lum ba pa ta lum ba pa 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 lum ba pa 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 lum ba pa 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 lum ba down 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 up down up down 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 up down up. The bridge as a regular E major to regular A major. More open strumming here. Back to F sharp. Verse. Okay, A major, C, D, A. Here's the ending. Don't go chasing rabbits. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool hits. Thank you. Be safe.